In this video, I'll be showing you guys the top 5 best free VPN apps along with some premium paid options as well. Now, the number one on my list is Proton VPN. Now you can see this is actually the app, so simply install it on your device. Now this app is an app that hardly ever show ads and is one of the top apps that you can actually use as your VPN. Also, this app also have very good and considerable speed with access to a lot of server locations. So go ahead and give this app a try. Now the second app on my list is Windscribe. So you can see the app over here. Now this app also have a free plan available along with a very good speed and access to about 10 server locations. And also you can go ahead and upgrade to the premium plan so you can actually access much more server locations. So as you can see, this app is also another good app that you can actually utilize on your Android devices. The third on my list is called Tunnel Bear. So let me spell it for you guys. So you can see it in here, Tunnel Bear VPN. So you can go ahead and also install this. Now this is also a very good VPN that can actually give you, some good server locations to also utilize. So if you're actually looking for a cool VPN app to actually use, you can go ahead and go for Tunnel Bear. Now you can see that this is available on both phone, tablet, and on your PC devices as well. So you can go ahead and give this app a try. Now the next on my list is Hotspot Shield. So let me spell it for you guys. Hotspot Shield. So you can see it. So this is actually like one of the oldest VPN apps when it comes to Android or iPhone devices. And this app also comes with a free plan as well, which is also available. But it's going to be limited servers. The servers are going to be limited that you'll be able to use. Now you also have very good speed as well. But if you want to use the premium plan, you can go ahead and use the premium plan, and that is going to give you access to much more server locations. So that's how it mostly is for all these apps. So when you have the free plan, you can use it, but it's going to be limited. But once you upgrade to the premium plan, you'll be able to access much more server locations. Now if you want something that is very, very premium, like super premium, then you can go for this app that is called ExpressVPN. So this is the app, so you can go ahead and install this to your device. Now this app is very, very good, like very, very good speed. Everything about it is just very good, and it has a lot of server locations. As you can see, you can connect to up to 160 secure server locations. So this is actually the app that you can actually use when you want super speed, you want something stable, you want something that is very, very good and perfect for your device. You can go for ExpressVPN. And the cool part about ExpressVPN is that once you have your account, like your premium account, you can go ahead and use that account on other devices like your laptop and stuff like that. So you can give this app a try, or you can give every other one that I've mentioned in this video a try. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.